Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use cans with the LCS. For this, a special can filler device is required. Here we see the can filler. This is the lower part, the base, where the can is placed. This is the upper part, the lid. The two parts are locked together using a bayonet lock. The lid should be rotatable, as shown here. If it feels tight, it can be adjusted using the screws in the holes. Turn clockwise to tighten it and counterclockwise to loosen it. Be very careful when doing this, as the threads could be damaged. To dose a can, place it in the base. Next, put the lid on. At this point, the bayonet lock cannot yet be engaged because the lid is slightly raised. You may need to press the lid down a bit. Now, the bayonet can be locked and it will snap into place. To remove the can, unlock the bayonet and pull the lid upwards. Sometimes the can sticks to the lid. If so, it can be released by tilting the lid. Most of the time, the can remains in the base, making it hard to grab. You can push the can upwards through the hole in the bottom, allowing for easy removal. Now let's go through this process again with a filled can. Insert the can. Place the lid on top. Press down if necessary and lock the lid. The can holder can now be placed into the LCS. As with glass bottles, the seal at the top must fit snugly. Enter the bottle size, or in this case the can size, the desired amount of CO2, and any additional cycle time. For high CO2 levels or highly foamy beverages, overflows may occur during depressurization. In this case, you should select the slow depressurization option. If you have a lot of liquid or foam in the probe head and this causes issues, choosing slow dosing can help. There isn't much to see during the dosing process, so we'll skip ahead here. After dosing, remove the holder, unlock the lid, and take out the can as described earlier. That's it. This is how you can dose cans. The can holder, unfortunately, is not universal. A specific can filler is needed for each can type. Sometimes, two cans of different sizes can fit into one can filler using a height adapter. That's it. These were the basics of the LCS can holder.